Good day! This is Chan of Chan Limited Life at today, ipapakita natin ang part 4 ng newbie car tip series natin entitled 7 Random Tips for New Car Owners and Drivers Rainy Weather Edition. Pero bago natin simulan mga ka-Chanli, eto muna!
Let's go!
Kung hindi mo pa napapanood ang part 1, 2, and 3 ng car tip series natin, pwede nyo i-click yung video card sa top right corner ng screen o hintayin sa dulo ng video ang end credit para sa link. 7 Random Tips for New Car Owners and Drivers Part 4 Rainy Weather Edition. Number 1. Dry your brakes by applying light pressure on the pedal. Sa kondisyon ng ating kalsada sa Pilipinas, aware naman tayo na maraming puddle o lusak tayong madadaanan pag tagulan. Unfortunately, our brakes may become slippery and ineffective. Wet brakes do not stop the vehicle as quickly as dry brakes. For safety, we can help dry them by driving slowly and gently pressing on the brake pedal. Pwede natin gawin to before tayo mag-merge sa mga major roads and highways. Number 2. Appropriate color temperature is key to downpour visibility. Car manufacturers are slowly shifting from halogen to HID and LED headlights. Unfortunately, kadalasan ay yung top variants lang ng auto ang naaambuna ng stock LED lights. After few months, most Filipinos will change its tint to dark shade, kaya marami sa atin will experience poor visibility kapag gabi at malakas ang ulan. Dahil di kinakaya ng liwanag from halogen headlight ang negative effects sa visibility ng dark tint shade. Kaya naman, we will normally upgrade to LED to keep up at pipiliin natin ay yung pinakamaputi o yung 6,000 Kelvin or higher. Then, we will learn a lesson pag umuulan na ng malakas. So sobrang puti o taas ng Kelvin, ay magbabounce back lang ang ilaw kaya halos wala na tayong makikita sa kalsada. Napaka-delikado niyan. Hindi porket white ang color ng LED light ay mas maliwanag na ito kaysa sa warmer color. Common misconception yan. Pwede mo panoorin ang video natin tungkol sa LED lights by clicking the video card sa top right corner ng screen. Remember this mga ka-Chanli. Ang Kelvin ay para sa color temperature, ang lumens naman ay sa brightness. For optimal driving, I will personally recommend an LED light between 4,000 to 5,000 Kelvin para sa headlight. Number 3. Do not use hazard lights when driving in the rain. 3 to 5 years ago, common sight na makakita tayo ng kotse na naka-hazard lights kapag bumubuhos ang ulan. Whether araw man yan o gabi, madalas yan. Slowly, unti-unting na-educate ang mga drivers on refraining to use hazard lights kapag umuulan. Some drivers kasi are turning the hazard lights on para mas maging visible daw ang kotse nila para mas safe daw. Pero, kabaligtaran ang nangyayari, mas nagiging cause pa ito ng accident kasi other drivers will think na nakastop o park yung naka-hazard. Yun pala, hindi naman. Even worse, may nag-change lane pa while using the hazard lights. Please note na other drivers will not notice your turn signal kaya pwede pa itong pagsimula ng collision. Kaya, please stop using hazard lights when driving in the rain. Use headlights instead. Number 4. Purchase car dehumidifier to regulate car's moisture. Ang key benefit ng car dehumidifier is to ensure your car's interior air clean and free from airborne mold and bacteria. The humidifier helps regulate the amount of moisture or humidity and discourage the growth of mildew, mold, or bacteria. Iwas sa may kulob sa loob ng kotse, lalo na kapag tagulan. Also, a dehumidifier can help protect your vehicle's electrical system from moisture damage. Before natin ituloy mga ka-Chanli, ikaw ba, ano ang mga car-related tips na pwede mong i-share sa amin ngayong tagulan? Post mo naman sa comment section para mabasa ng mga viewers natin at matulungan natin sila. Number 5. Invest in quality wiper blades. Visibility is king lalo na pag downpour. Windshield wipers is small part lang ng kotse natin pero malaki ang impact sa driving and overall safety. They remove rain at the switch of a lever. Kaso, we need to replace them every 6 months to 1 year depende sa kondisyon nito. Kadalasan, we get what we pay for. So invest in quality wiper blades dahil visibility is king pag rainy season. Anyway, my recommended brands are Bosch, Pia, and Nippon Wiper Blade. Purchase the most expensive na kaya ng budget mo. Number 6. Acid Rain Remover for clearer windshield. After several days of rain, mananotice natin na nagkakaroon ng acid rain spots o watermarks ang kotse natin kasama na nga dyan ng windshield. Leftover minerals ito from rain and other elements sa katagalan ay nagiging semi-permanent stain sa salamin. This will make our drive harder at night lalo na pag malakas ang ulan. Fortunately, mura lang alisin ito. Napakarami ring brands na available sa market at various price points. Madali lang siya i-apply as long as you follow the instructions sa label. The key is to not overdo it. Wag na wag mong ibababad ng matagal. Remember, pwede makadamage ito. The benefits are worth it naman, basta ingat lang mga ka-Chanli. Number 7. Wash your car regularly. Some of us ay happy kapag umuulan kasi nahuhugasan ang auto natin. Yung iba naman ay sinasadyang hindi magpa-car wash kasi nalilinis naman daw ng ulan ang mga dumi nito. Meron ding ayaw kasi madudumihan o mapuputikan din naman daw ang auto. Dirt, mud, sand and soil get trapped sa iba't ibang parte ng kotse at kapag hindi nalinis regularly, pwedeng pagsimulan ng kalawang. Rainwater is also acidic, so if you don't wash your car after it rains, the rainwater can damage the clear coat of your car and ultimately pwedeng pagsimula ng sira sa pintura. Question: sunod ko bang i-car wash kada ulan? Hindi naman. Actually, depende sa dumi ng kotse. Once a week or every 2 weeks will be enough. O kaya naman yung usual frequency ng car wash mo. Except kung dumaan ka sa baha o nasabuyan ka ng putek. Ito yung mga cases na need i-car wash agad. Ayun lang. I hope na nakatulong itong video na to. Thank you for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chalimited Life, and follow my other social media accounts for more related content. Hanggang sa susunod mga ka-Chanli. Drive safely. Ingat!